Merry Christmas from Nana. And to all my subscribers and everyone out there.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say it with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making deviled strawberries. The ingredients that we're going to need today are golden Oreo cookies, strawberries, a tub of Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake cheesecake filling, and also strawberry cream wafer cookies. The first thing we're going to do is make our strawberry crumble. So we're going to need 6 of our golden Oreos and 8 of our strawberry wafers. So to my food processor, I'm going to add in our cookies and also our wafers. Now you want to take your strawberry crumble and place it into a bowl. Next, you want to make sure your strawberries are cleaned thoroughly. We're going to go ahead and cut them into half. You want to cut off the stems also. Now we're going to take our no-bake cheesecake filling. I'm going to fill my piping bag with it. I also put a tip on the end. Now we're going to take our cheesecake filling. I'm going to go over top of our strawberry. Just put a dollop on it. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to take some of our strawberry crumble. You just want to sprinkle a little bit over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our deviled strawberries. These taste really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?